Hi everyone, Leah the trader here from Trading Mindset and Data TMAT. Let's look at some names just to close the week. It was a pretty good week. We had some ugly stop out today, but that's why we use stops. It's 1 hour loss. CSCO, we are still in this trade, looks pretty good. It's chopping around the 120. It's a very strong resistance on the jacks as well as technical, as you can see here. So we need to break out this resistance and get some momentum up to 121, 130, 125. So that's what we're looking at. The Rocket Lab had a really nice retest to the 10. That's pretty much our entry. So let's see, hopefully it's gonna pick up. I would move the stop up to 131. I think that would be ideal. We have JOBY, also inside day, little retest after a strong move. And we are in long-term Microsoft. So that one is really looking good. I would not exit this. That's why I just trailed stop to 435, which is somewhere here. And I would wait, and we are getting bid. So it's clearly beautiful head and shoulder pattern inverse, and I think that we could easily go to 490. So we're gonna hang out with that. Fortinet, I sadly didn't manage to get actively into this trade, but it looks amazing. I was trying to get in at 130, then we retested the 10, and that's when I wasn't getting in fast enough, but you know, I can be in all of them. We'll look at some days for next week. I feel like Figma is breaking out soon here, this level, and looks very good for next week. We're gonna look at a lot of names over the weekend. We also got into Flex that finally broke out here. 170, 175 it's a really strong level as well. So look at the JAX chart. We have 175, very big level, and then the 135 stop. So that's why I have the stop at 134.90, because there's a strong put wall, and hopefully it's gonna hold in case we would fail. Now look at the software names. I mean, Adobe looks pretty good too. It needs to get out of this shop. Now absolutely killed it. I was in the webinar on Wednesday, and the last week people were asking where to exit now. It had really nice move and retested, but it held strong about our demand zone, which I gave everyone in the webinar. And then let's look at other names here. TTD is still chopping around. It's not ideal looking. Snow, oh my gosh, what a nice move. The crypto names are also retesting. Look how amazing. Iran retested to the support. Cipher, we need to break out there. RKLB moving higher. So as I said, Flex is pretty good. Nokia also retesting. If Nokia holds about this level, it's all good. Otherwise, if we break this level, I think I would not want to go lower. So let's see what happens. And then we have also Apple open from before, but now it seems like it's the move is done here. So I would be probably moving stop now to 307. You know, I don't want to hold this stock. So that's it. I will do a big prep on Sunday for our members, and I will see if you look at the score strategy, what's happening there. So far, so good. These two days are a little bit lower, but it can still change. There's a lot of time that this will take until it closes. And just to see, here is an example portfolio from Public. It's only $10,000, but it's an example portfolio. Today is up 141. This is the basket. So the agents voted on open on Tuesday. This is the whole entire return. Some names are up, some names are down. We treat it as a basket. I don't care about the individual names unless we would breach minus 10% on the whole portfolio, right? So that's pretty much it. I have my agents that I set up, and they bought it for me. And the same way I will set up the stop loss with the agent. I will basically say, hey, if you breach 10% down on this portfolio, please sell. Okay? So I'm very transparent with this. Of course, we are testing it out. We are testing the agents. Everything works really well. This will be increased, right? This is just a test portfolio. We are playing with more money in different portfolios, but this is to test the agents. They work really well. I love Public. We work with them. Great broker. Making our life easier. Okay, friends, so that's it for today. And now I'm going to do neurofeedback session. It's really nice. Every Friday after market close, I go to neurofeedback, let my brain have spa and calm down after the week. And that way I have a really beautiful weekend and I'm ready for next week. All right. Bye, everyone.